cited as the top 50 business grades in 2005. The Chartered Institute of Marketing cited doon among the inaugural listing of the 50 most influential thinkers in marketing and business today. Among others are the Accenture Institute for Strategic Change among the global top 100 business intellectuals for 2 years running, and for the Business Magazine named him one of the foremost business gurus of our times. Also, Incorporation Magazine or Inc. Magazine cited philosophy have also the Accenture's Institute for Strategic Change ranker among the top 100 global top 100 business intellectuals. And Dr. Rogers began her professional career as a copywriter and advertising executive and earned her Doctorate of Philosophy at the University of Tennessee as a legal fellow. Is also cited by the Business Magazine as the 90th most important business guru of the past century, and also the World Technology Network named her as an innovator most likely to create visionary ripple effects. And also, Martha Rogers is an acclaimed author, world-class speaker, and economy for